The very first ever AI kind of features inside of Salesforce happened to do with a technology called Einstein. And that was their very first foray into AI inside of Salesforce. And what Einstein was able to do is give insights based on certain stages or certain objects. And I'll give you an example. So let's talk about opportunities. So opportunities inside Salesforce are in the recruiting world, kind of jobs we have the potential to win the ability to go after, contracts we have the ability to win, those sorts of things. So inside of Salesforce, Einstein's able to look at these opportunities based on which stage it's in, how many conversations have happened with the potential buyer or with, in our case, the client. It's able to kind of give you a predictive score of how likely is that to really close? How likely is that to be at the value that you think it's going to be? What are some kind of risk factors based on the amount of interactions that you've had with this individual? So Einstein's able to look at your opportunity and come up with those values. Now, this still very much is possible inside of Salesforce, but this is kind of that first implementation of AI. And that's typically where people start. Now, this is based on Einstein understanding your specific data. And the data set that it needs to come up with these is like in the many hundreds, and the suggested is about 1,000. So 1,000 different records that you have inside of Salesforce to get the most out of this predictive AI of Einstein inside of Salesforce.